Hello students, hope you are fine and taking good care of your health. Welcome to this video. In this video we are solving problems of unit number 1 because we skipped these problems. So now we are solving this. Express the following quantities and using prefixes. First is 5000 gram. We have to convert 5000 gram into prefixes. What is prefixes? The words or letters used just before the unit that are called prefixes. Point is here. If I shift point first non-zero digit, then I get 5 multiplied by 10 raised to power plus 3. As you know that kilo is equal to 10 raised to power 3. So here I get 5 kg. This is the answer. Now 20 lakh. There are two methods to solve this. We can write here is point. When we shift point on the left side, right to left here, then there are 6 zeros. So here I can write 10 raised to power 6, as 10 raised to power 6 is equal to mega, m is equal to 10 raised to power 6. So here I can write 2m, and there is watt here. So here I write watt, megawatt. Watt is a unit, mega is a prefix. Now I am solving C part. 52 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 10 kg. 52 multiplied by 52 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 10 kg. Okay, now if I shift point one digit, here I get 5.2 multiplied by 10 raised to power 1 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 10. 5.2 multiplied by 10 raised to power 1, bases are same and multiplying powers will be added 1 minus 10. Here I get 5.2 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 9 kg. We can't use two prefixes at a time. This is k. So I can write here 5.2 multiplied by 10 raised to power 9 multiplied by 10 raised to power 3 gram. 10 raised to power minus 9. 5.2 multiplied by, as bases are same and multiplying powers will be added, here we get 10 raised to power minus 9 plus 3 gram. Here we get 5.2 multiplied 10 raised to power minus 6 gram, and this is 10 raised to power 6 is equal to micro, 5.2 microgram. I hope you understand it. Now I am solving its last part, D. 2 to 5 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 8. Its last part, D. 2 to 5 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 8. When I shift point from to convert it into prefixes, first of all we write it in a standard form. So here I write 2.25 multiplied by 10 raised to power 2 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 8. When bases are same and multiplying powers will be added, here I get 2.25 multiplied 10 raised to power 2 minus 8. 2.25 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 6. 2.25
multiplied
micro, 10 to the power minus 6 is micro, and also this is second. So here you write second, 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 microsecond. This is the answer. Hope you understand it. If you have any problem, any question, you can ask me. Allah Hafiz.